I'm Vance Sterling.
Not stepping aside.
I said I am Vance Sterling.
I know exactly who you are. Kale's older brother, the billionaire.
I am here to claim the family line.
They are my family too! I'm not leaving them with a crime boss. What did you do?
Just breathe. Don't fight it. I'm grounding the energy.
Are you going to run?
I bury my enemies, Cora. I don't run from my family. You're coming with me, both of you.
I don't take orders from you! Cora? What is going on here? Get your filthy paws off my fiancé.
Borrow some cash from me.
I have exactly 27 pennies.
You've been starving yourself for days? I'm buying you a hot meal.
I'm perfectly fine. Let go. Let go!
Then lend me a 20.
I don't have it. I have 27 pennies.
You're running on empty to protect the Cubs? Who the hell is providing for you?
Nobody! I survive on my own!
I booked a top floor suite down the street. Go wash the hospital off you. I had my men pack your clothes.
Trent would have called the cops. What the... Lost, little human?
Vance!
He has a kid?
Are they orphans too?
Lyra's mother passed away. So what happens to her? Vivian despises the child. Lyra goes to a remote boarding school tomorrow.
Are you throwing me away like trash, Vance?
Sorry, Lyra, listen to me. Take her. I'll fund everything. Just hide my daughter from Vivian.
Fine. She listens to me. My rules.
Cora, do you want me to curse Vivian's hair to fall out?
Maybe later, kid.
Cora, I'm tired.
Almost done, sweetie. Watch your step, human trash. You did that on purpose. Touch my heels again, and I'll smash this directly into your fake nose. Vivian, you are nothing.
Cora, watch out!
Hold on tight! Oops. Simus! Open the door!
Whoa, calm down. What happened?
Pull the tapes! That witch just tried to end my kids!
Cora, please let me explain.
Take your psycho fiancé's mess off my porch, or I'll handle you myself.
You're staring, Cora.
Stay back.
5 seconds. Let me look at Lyra for 5 seconds. I swear I won't touch her.
Make it quick.
Thank you.
Get in the utility room and dry off. What are you doing?
Are you gonna offer me a tip?
Put a shirt on. I've seen better at a cheap club.
Is that so?
Cora? Stay here! Lyra, hold on, I'm coming! It hurts! Let me show you exactly what Vance wiped from your brain. Stop! What is this? The truth. I am absolutely not pregnant! I haven't slept with Vance, he is engaged! You mated with him in the utility room 3 weeks ago. He wiped your memories to protect you from Vivian's attacks. Remember it now. Oh, my destiny. Holy cow! I felt the cross.
Message for Silas. It's a farewell letter. Vance is taking Vivian out in a crash to save you all.
Massive collision on Route 9. Driver not responding.
I have to go! Hold on, Vancer! Are you strange creatures?
They are weaklings. I'm a beast. Sweetheart.
Where are we going?
To Simus's safe house.
What exactly are you people? The glowing eyes? The super speed?
Vance is a pureblood. I'm a beast. We deal in secrets and power.
Vance barely survived.
Vivian faked her. Used the double. She's forcing them to marry her to Vance tonight to claim the Empire.
She's trying to steal my baby's father.
You have a family claim. Put this on. Declare it in front of the council before midnight.
Get in the chopper, now!
I'm coming for you, Vance.
We're touching down!
Step away from my man! You won't be got my man! Security! Remove this trash! You won't hurt him!
Cora, back off! That's enough!
Get off me! He's the...
Cora!
Stay away from him!
Cora!
Get off me! Get off of me!
What is the meaning of this madness? What is happening to him?
He's overloading! The damage is frying his system! He needs a grounder, but the shock will destroy a normal human!
I'll do it.
Cora! It will feel like terrible pain. Don't do it!
I don't care.
Cora, let go!
No, I won't let go.
Run to the fortress! Now!
Hello, boys.
Get off me! I am mated! My matriarch will handle you!
Taste the menu, Vance.
Get her off me, or I will end her! He lost control of the beast! Run! Hurry! Don't look back!
Did we make it? This is a nightmare. This is a nightmare.
Daddy!
No, please don't.
Daddy, you are so big!
It's done. I signed the papers. Stay away from me! Don't come closer! Help me! Back off right now, you monster! No! Somebody save me! Is this real? Am I dreaming? Tessa? You can't stay here, Cora. Let me stay! I can't survive that fierce world! We will protect this little one for you. You have to go back and get strong. Your alpha needs you to fight.
Cora! Wake up! Please don't leave me! Let me help, I can heal her! I can heal her! Vance, the baby is gone.
It's an automatic A+ if you behave.
What exactly is my wife's grade?
Get off me!
You want to pass the bar test?
I need to get out of here.
Vance sent me to babysit you. You have no heat, and now this rat is groping you. I'm telling the boss about this.
Don't you dare.
You left your bag, Cora! Start prioritizing!
And what exactly are my wife's priorities?
She's single.
You stalked her. You assaulted her. You are completely finished in this city. I'm Vance Sterling. Get in. We're going home. I'm still going to handle his liver tonight.
I am an apex predator, not a nanny!
Pack your bags. We are leaving.
What is going on?
Code Red! It's leaking toxic sludge! Deal with it yourself!
Give it to me.
Hurry up. I have an interrogation at 8 p.m.
Stop talking about violence in front of the baby.
Ah, I can't take this anymore! Watch out, Cora!
You look like a starved gargoyle.
I am majestic!
What is happening? What is happening?
Vance, help me!
Cora! No! Grab my hand!
Where am I?
Fresh delivery.
Follow closely. You join our group from now on.
Stop touching me! Get away from me!
You think you can escape? Enjoy your new home.
Jax.
Cora, call Vance. He can track you.
I'm here, Cora.
It hurts so much.
Cora, do not move. I've got you.
I'm safe now.
Hold on, just a little longer. Move! The medics are waiting! Stay with me, Cora! She is just a weak human! Get rid of her!
I am an empath, you archaic fools.
Your system mutated to survive. You are a high empath now. Prove you belong tonight, or they exile you.
The fragile human brings ruin to the bloodline.
Find the parents, human.
Hand the child to me.
The mother is gone. The father is alive in Sector 4. Next.
If you touch my new mom, I'll turn your minds to mush!
Well, damn.
What's wrong with your teeth? If those council bats touch her, I will melt their brains! What is happening to her?
This isn't good.
Is she freezing?
She carries the Alpha bloodline. She is both a witch and a beast. Code Silver.
Step back, everyone.
Squeak!
Well, that's one massive mystery solved. But we still have the Vivian problem to deal with.
I carry the true Sterling heir.
Let me taste your blood to verify.
Vance mated with me. The human trash must pay.
That is a lie! You used a dark binding spell!
I am the accuser!
You are the accuser.
Yes.
I will taste your blood to verify the bloodline.
I refuse.
I'm sorry. Did I make that sound like a request?
No way!
She lied. She orchestrated the attack on Cora. I could not let the insult stand. Does anyone have a problem with my verdict?
No. We fully accept it.
Privacy.
Don't come knocking if this bed starts rocking.
The Laren is fully stocked. I'll send Vance over the second he finishes handling Vivian's loyalists.
Everything is ready.
Stepford wives eat your hearts out.
You look amazing.
You're home.
I thought I lost you to the pit.
Wait. The stake is going to burn.
Let it burn. I'm leaving.
What is happening?
Understood. Lock down the perimeter.
Vance?
I have to go. Syndicate emergency. Lock the doors.
Damn it!
Get dressed. We are going to war.
Let's see what he is hiding.
We are going to his corporate headquarters.
Take a seat in the lobby.
I won't let them see me break. I am leaving.
Answer it before he destroys the city.
You thought I was serving you divorce papers?
You're only fakely not Sony out. Would you mount Pakers? You look like a corporate assassin, Cora. I completely panicked.
I am so sorry. I thought you came to demand a divorce.
A divorce?
You asked for one months ago. I thought last night was just a final goodbye.
No, you idiot! I thought you used me and bolted!
Never. You looked breathtaking. I was just too terrified to speak.
Jax, secure out every box of artisan chocolates in the district.
You are trying to buy my forgiveness. Hurry up, boss. I love you. I miss you, Tessa. What is happening? Catch me if you can. Tessa? Tessa?
Come on, Slowpoke. Inside.
I'm coming! This can't be real. Be real. You aren't hiding. You really left us. Mom!
Don't look, kid. I've got you, Cora.
Take me out of here! Take me!
We are leaving right now.
Cora! Stay with me!
Stay in the boat.
Where am I?
Because you need to eradicate your fear of the Alpha. Pet him, Cora.
I can't do this.
Give me your hand.
No way!
He is a protector, Cora. He won't hurt you. Vance's beast would destroy everything before it scratched you.
See? I have better table manners than Jax.
You actually do.
Go back. Get strong. Claim your Alpha.
I will. Vance!
You're awake. You scared me to destiny.
I'm okay now. I'm not afraid anymore.
You don't need to pee on this garbage.
I want to see the lines. That cost $20.
You smell like a bakery mixed with wild energy. You are knocked up with the Alpha's cub. Stop wasting money.
He ruined my test.
Go to the bathroom. Now!
I told her she doesn't need it.
I can't look. You tell me.
The legacy is secured.
A baby! We're getting a minion! Yes, a little minion.
Prep the Mystic. We are doing an ultrasound to check for mutations. Hello, Predator. It's going to have a tail.
What was that?
Easy, little one.
My head.
Do not project. The cub is highly territorial today. It demands absolute isolation. The pregnancy is completely secure. And Jax's assessment is correct. It will be born in partial beast form.
Definitely a sterling alpha.
An army of little beasts.
When is it hatching? Can I teach it how to roar?
No roaring inside the house, Lyra.
You're pregnant.
Yes. We are having a cub.
A cub. Our destiny.
Animate it!
Stand back, kids. What the heck is that?
Come on, Mom!
Move over, you little psycho! Don't let it eat me!
Hold on tight, Jax.
We are going to crash!
This is awesome!
Brace yourselves for landing!
Vance used to like dragons too.
Let's go downstairs. I think the alpha is waiting for his cubs.
She wants to phase back to human to eat cake, but she doesn't have the kinetic energy. Easy there, little one.
He is a strong boy.
Look at Nox. He is trying to shift. Way to go, Nox! Oh my goodness, look at him!
You built a strong pride. Mama. Mama.
Mom and Dad, where are you going tonight with all those heavy gears? Can I come join the action?
Not tonight, sweetie.
I'll stay in there for the ceremony.
You are an alpha, not a circus animal. Are Yuana's tapped to Gunu at alpha? You can think what Yuan is now. What the heck is that?
Which is out. Vance requested it. His beast is extremely territorial right now. He doesn't want to risk losing control during the family ritual.
I won't allow this. You are not going in a cage.
Cora, it's safer. I almost hurt you badly during the Goblin raid.
I don't want you trembling at the altar, thinking I'm going to harm you.
I am not the weak human you met in the hospital. I rode a dragon. I survived the pit. Your beast is a protector. You are my alpha. Stand next to me at the altar, free of chains. Promise me.
I swear it.
A formal objection has been raised.
Who dares?
Stay calm, Vance.
She is a fragile human. The child will be weak. The union must be annulled immediately.
No, Vance! I handle my own battles.
She is an outsider. The heir is unworthy.
Kneel.
Make it stop.
I am the matriarch of the Sterling bloodline. Does anyone else want to question my strength?
The union is officially blessed.
Finally, some peace. The council won't dare bother us anymore.
Someone call backup! I am being slowly devoured by feral beasts!
Breast's not used here.
You bred them, you deal with them.
My expensive rug, completely ruined. Are you happy?
I live with 3 lions, a shadow who steals my snacks, and a baby kicking my ribs. I've never been happier.
Sorry to ruin the domestic bliss. We have a massive problem. The goblins were just pawns. The rogue fractions are uniting. Let them try.
We hunt together.
The faction that funded Vivienne is launching a siege on the southern borders. They think you've gone soft playing house. Jax is scouting. The wards are failing. They will regret this.
We handle this together.
Take the cubs to the underground bunker.
No. We don't hide. I am a high empath. I can track their scouts through their psychological fear.
Welcome to the war, Mrs. Sterling.
Let's go handle some rogues. I'm starving.
Drop the prey, Cora.
The hunger! It's tearing me apart.
Cora, drop it now! That is Lyra's pet rabbit! Give it to me!
No. I need fresh summons.
The shadow mutation is overriding her brain. She is losing control.
I know something tastier than a stringy fur ball. She wants to hunt people.
I'll hunt whoever I want.
If she gets aggressive, I will magically bind her jaw.
I hate you! I'm going to take you down!
I will extract your teeth if you continue threatening me.
You wouldn't dare!
Just breathe, Cora. As soon as your aggression drops, they grow back. My mother knocked my fangs out constantly when I was an arrogant pup.
I'm sorry you don't get to eat the guards. I can sever a toe for you if you need a quick snack. Neither Vance flown life, Tonder listen some wentz.
Get out of my quarters!
Crush it to shatter her hex. The pain. It's fading.
Step aside, Vance.
Mother, stand down. She is just a child protecting her matriarch.
She is a menace! She raided my apothecary! Show yourself, Lyra!
Never! You hexed my mom! I will curse your bone marrow!
Do not sever his head, Vance. We need his intel.
Take Cora and Lyra to the subterranean bunker, now.
Move them, fast!
You think Vivienne acted alone? You think you are safe?
The car crash wasn't an accident.
What did you just say?
The syndicate cut the brake lines.
Silas, leave the room. I need exactly 5 minutes with this piece of trash.
Get the matriarch to the roof! Take him out! They cracked the perimeter wards! We need to evacuate vertically!
Lyra, grabbing doings, okay? Bernardi's was gonna Mr. Liddell. Lyra, grab your book. Let's go.
To the roof! Move! Hurry up, Cora! Don't look back! Drop the half-breed cubs on the concrete.
Stay behind me, Lyra. Feel my despair.
Get it out of my head! My eyes!
I told you I was starving.
Monster! Stay away!
Finish them, Jax!
With pleasure, Azure, boss lady.
Ignite.
The fire! Get it off!
Lyra, cease fire!
Flawless teamwork, boss lady.
We held the line.
The line is gone. Maleficus extracted the coordinates. We end the Pureblood Syndicate tonight.
The Syndicate leader is heavily warded. We have to breach the titanium gates manually. Back working this boat machines.
I will tear the gates off the mountain myself!
You need me. You need me.
Negative. Lemon, you Izernothan. Negative. You stay here in the vault with the cubs. That is an order.
Darius uses high-level mirror illusions. I can track the real target through their fear.
It's a literal trap, Cora. I cannot watch you get hurt again.
I am a high Empath matriarch. If you leave me, I will follow you anywhere.
She is unequivocally a Sterling. Let her hunt. You stay directly behind my shield. Understood?
Jax, clear the watchtowers. Ready?
Always ready. Our home's trended in dire.
You can't touch me!
Which one?
Left. The left one is sweating pure fear.
Push forward!
Sniper on the ridge, 2 o'clock!
Got it!
You brought the fragile human to a war. Stay behind me, Cora.
Prepare to fall! Coward!
You cannot outsmart strange power, mindless beast.
Cora, which one?
Let me see. The middle and right are voids. Left. The left one is terrified. Strike now.
Got you! You are just a fragile mistake, ruining the lineage!
You will pay for this. Feel exactly what you stole.
Secure the prisoners. None escape. On it, Alpha.
You think you've won?
You various, Nether. You took out Kale and Tessa.
They polluted the purebred lineage!
Your words mean nothing now. I will show you my agony. Feel exactly what you stole.
You are magnificent. For Kale and Tessa!
Vance!
It's necrotic poison. Drawing it out will burn you alive.
Do it.
I can barely breathe.
Vance! Look at me! Stay with me!
It burns.
It's attacking his heart.
Fix it! Do something!
I can't. Only a high empath can draw it out.
Do it! Show me how!
Cora, no. It will take you out.
Shut up, Alpha. You owe me a lifetime of peace. I can handle this.
You stubborn, beautiful idiot.
I want pickles and peanut butter!
Whoa! Watch out! Pregnancy hormones and empath power are a dangerous combination.
I want the damn pickles!
I didn't take your cursed pickles! I didn't run her some lust hole!
Isn't tell her. She's not pickles!
Vance, control your matriarch! She is a menace to society!
Calm down, my love.
Finally.
Whatever my queen desires.
I'm sorry. Everything hurts. And this cub keeps aggressively kicking my ribs.
The cub is strong. A true predator.
Mom, when is the minion coming?
Any day now, little menace.
Jax! Vance!
Vance!
Secure the perimeter! The air is coming right now!
It feels like tearing! It hurts!
Just breathe with me. Administer the potion! Ah! I can't! It's demanding natural birth!
You did this to me!
I am so sorry. I am so sorry.
I'll make you pay.
Can I have a snack?
Get out! Push, Cora! I see the head!
It's a perfectly healthy boy.
Let me hold him. He has a tail. He's a beast.
He is flossless. Thank you.
Welcome to the syndicate.
Can we inspect the minion? Come here, Lila. He's a monster. Just like his father.
What is his title?
Orion Kale Sterling.
Kale would have been fiercely proud. Let me bite him just a little.
No demonic magic, Jax.
Get out of my perimeter. I never thought my beast would find peace.
You built a real empire.
We built it through sweat and fire.
Put Orion in the crib and meet me on the roof.
What is all this, Alpha?
I promised to secure my territory properly. Our first wedding was a necessity of survival. I want to do it right, as a man hopelessly obsessed with his matriarch. Will you marry me? For real this time?
Yes. Absolutely yes.
I love you, my lethal empath.
I love you too, my brutal lion. We survived. These marks are honor medals.
Look, Mom!
Awesome trick, baby!
If Vance doesn't change back soon, I'm eating all his barbecue.
These cubs are draining all my energy.
Drink some water, big guy. We survived it all.
We built an unbreakable pride. Are you happy, matriarch?
Completely, unequivocally happy, Mr. Sterling.